Hey, so in another video, I showed you how to grow your page on Instagram, but this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your following on Facebook, your Facebook business page. My name is Sarah Douglas, owner of Full of Grace Marketing. We specialize in social media management, branding, website development for home service companies. So, this video I'm going to show you, I'm going to turn the screen around to Facebook, but when you really want to grow your business page on Facebook, yes, the strategy is to post, 3 to 4 times a week, depending on your industry. Update people behind the scenes content. You really have to have a strategy on what you actually do post and advertise. So it goes two ways. It's the content that you provide on your page, and then also how much you advertise. And I don't mean wasting your money. I mean having a reasonable budget. Anybody can do this on Facebook, but you're intentional about growing your page each month. So put a budget aside. I would say at least start with $100 a month if you can to build your following. And if you need to do less, you can definitely do less on Facebook. So I'm coming over to my Facebook business page. You have to have this for your business. It cannot be on personal accounts. And there's other videos I think I've done that we don't do that. We don't, just try to sell to our friends and family all the time. Just keep it on this business page. You can have unlimited following here. So if you're not already following Full of Grace Marketing on Facebook, please give us a follow. You're going to see, how many people already like your page, already follow your page right here. And so we want to always grow the following and grow our audience, right? So we can get more interaction on our posts. So what I would recommend is come to where more, it might look a little different. Facebook's always adjusting how things look on your business page, but come to Insights. And then what I'm going to recommend to you if you want to grow your followers on your Facebook business page is we come down to likes. And so it says total page likes, net likes. Okay. We come down to right here, net likes. And then it's kind of nice. It'll show you when you got more followers, when somebody unsubscribed or unliked your page, which is totally fine. So right here, you're going to click here, promote your page to get more likes. So this ad, it is an ad, but it's all about getting more followers on your page, which is actually what we want. The whole goal of Facebook, right? So it kind of shows you on the right-hand side how it's going to look. Of course, it's going to come from your business page. It's going to be sponsored. So we all see that in our home feed. But this ad looks like this. So it gives people really quick and easy access to just like your page right when they're in their home feed. When they see your ad, they can just click. They actually don't even have to go to your business page. They just click like right there. So I would recommend, again, not too much text, not more than 20% text. Add a great photo, add some wording right here. And you do everything on the left-hand side. So I'll ask you if you want to do a single image or a video or a slideshow. Definitely choose between that. It'll tell you right here, the text of, here's where you edit the text. And then come through, and wherever your audience is, if it's just like San Antonio, Texas, you can keep it like that. If you need to modify your target audience, then you would do it right here and just hit edit. You might also have some other audiences set up already, but if you don't, here's where you can set it up. And if your audience, like our audience tends to be 35 and older, 35 to 65. So we kind of just put that right here, the business owners that we usually work for. So you can put all men and women. Make sure you definitely know, that's a whole nother video. Make sure you definitely know your target audience and say their interests. If we're going to put business or home services, right? Plumbing, electricians, HVAC companies. So you would put that all right here, whatever interest your actual target audience is. Make sure Facebook says your audience size is defined, and then you can hit save. And then you just put in your budget. And like I said, you don't have to spend a ton of money. You can say, I'm going to spend $25 for this ad spend. I'm going to see how it does. So my daily budget is $5 for 5 days, which is total of $25. Definitely just make sure you're watching this number and it's not something crazy. It's going to end in 5 days. You do not have to worry about anything. The ad will end. And then you have your payment method in there already, or if you don't, it'll ask you to fill it in. So you just do that one time and it'll definitely save for your next ad. And it kind of tells you how many likes you might get per day. And it's more on the lower end. So don't expect 62 likes per day, but let's say about 30. So about midway there, you might get. It also depends if people like the photo and the content. So some people might not be attracted to certain photos. So that's why it's really good to test your ads, your like ads. And that's why this one, I'll probably keep it at 25. And then you could do another one in about a week and maybe change out the photo and change out the description because you always want to see which one works better. So that's how you grow your page with using ads. And yes, we definitely need to talk about content strategy as well. But I just want to give you this little tip on creating ads that people could just strictly like your page. They don't have to do any other action. You would just hit promote right here, but I'm not going to do that right now. But that's a little tip. Let me know if you have any questions. This was strictly for Facebook business page, how to grow that business page, and how to use advertising on a reasonable budget, say of $25 per week if you want to do that. But it's a good strategy. I don't see a lot of businesses doing it, and that's why I'm always teaching and giving them advice on how to do it. And then for our social media clients that we do manage their social media for them, we definitely use this practice as well. So contact me if you're interested in learning more or if you have other questions. And I do these videos. Definitely in 2020, I'm doing more videos. So comment with another tip you'd like me to do and share another tutorial you like, because I want to hear from you. Make sure to follow, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.